Hi everyone and welcome to another Blender Helix Alpha tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make a beginner airplane in Blender 2.49. So let's start out with our file new, just so everything is nice and crisp and new. We have our default cube, our light, and our camera. Let's just get rid of our camera by right clicking and deleting, and also do that with our light. And we're going to actually use our cube today, so let's rotate around here. And if you guys don't know the controls and everything, it's just the middle mouse clicking wheel and then drag to go into 3D mode and all that. So we're going to use the size tool, so SZ, and we're going to size that down on the Z axis, and then SY, and size that down on the Y axis. We're going to do SZ again. And actually what we're going to do this time is we're going to go into View, Front, and we're going to drag it out into the center like this. Actually, sorry, let's go into Edit Mode and select everything in our cube and drag it all to where the right edge meets the center of this. So this looks just like this. And now what we're going to do is go into our modifier list and hit mirror, and basically what that will do is mirror our object. So now whatever we do to this, it'll do to the other side. So what we're going to be doing is going into our face mode and dragging this way a little bit, and E, and that'll extrude, and let's just drag this a little way. And then we're going to do something called a loop cut, and basically how to do that is Control R, and first you have to be in your vertices select mode. So let's go ahead and click these dots, and so let's do Control R, and basically what this will do is bring up a pink line, and you can make a set of vertices on your model. And we're going to make our set of vertices right here. So let's click and then click again, about right here, to confirm, and that just made those vertices. So let's hit A to deselect, and let's select these vertices here and drag them down on the y-axis, and then let's select these and just drag all these down on the y-axis a little bit. So now we have just a really basic sort of tail wing type thing. So let's drag that over here and then maybe upwards a little bit. So now what we're going to do is make what's connected onto this wing. And in order to do that, we're going to make a new cube. Sorry, I'm going a little bit fast. We're going to make a new cube by going to Space, Add Mesh Cube, and then we're going to size that cube on the x-axis, about here. Then go into Edit Mode using Tab and select these two vertices and drag them this way. And then select these two vertices and drag them about here. And select these two and drag them about here. So you have something like this shape. And then go back into your object mode and SX and slim that down a little bit, and then size it and place it just so it meets the top of your whoops, I keep going into that. So go into the side view and meet this up with your tail, and just make yours look like mine for now. So this is what it looks like. And next we're going to Space, Add Mesh Cube again, and we're going to SY to size it up on the y-axis, and what we're going to do next is size it up on the z-axis a bit, and then hit Tab to go into Edit Mode, and we're actually going to use Loop Cut again. So let's do Control R. And instead of just making one cut, we're going to make two cuts. And the way that we do that is wheeling up on our mouse wheel, just one. And that will, you can actually do a lot more than one. I think it's infinite possibilities there, but we're just going to be doing two. And let's select that, and that'll make two for us. And then keep those selected, and SX, and size them this way. And keep that. Okay, and next what we're going to do is get our tail and our spoiler type thing, and drag that right up to the bottom of our plane. This is a really basic plane, by the way. It's not anything special. So really what we're going to do next is get this and Shift D and then Y, and that will duplicate it and drag it on the Y axis. And then what we're going to do is size that up just using the regular S button, and then let's drag that down into our plane. And then what we can do is select our body, go into edit mode, select these top two ones, drag those this way, and then select these and drag those this way. And then you can mess with things how you like them and get them all nice and airplane-y looking. But this is a really basic tutorial on how to make a basic airplane model. I hope it helped you out a lot. And if it did, please subscribe, like this video, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I hope it helped you out.